Shalom and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today's video is gonna be a really fun one. We'll be going over words that sound either similar or identical between Hebrew and English. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. The word for a park is just like in English. Park. Park. The word for a concert is Konzert. Konzert. A guitar is Gitarra. Gitarra. Music is Musica. Musica. The word for pasta is just like in English. Pasta. Pasta. A mango is mango. Mango. An encyclopedia is encyclopedia. Encyclopedia. A lemon is limon. Limon. A banana is banana. Banana. An avocado is avocado. Avocado. Tea is te. Te. Coffee is cafe. Cafe. A cracker is cracker. Cracker. Regulation is regulacja. Regulacja. The word for cream is crème. Crème. The word for shampoo is shampoo. Shampoo. A cable is kabel. Kabel. A radio is radio. Radio. A toaster is toaster. Toaster. A television is televizia. Televizia. The word for Europe is Europa. Europa. Africa is Africa. Africa. America is America. America. Asia is Asia. Asia. Australia is Australia. Australia. A beer is bira. Bira. Chocolate is chocolate. Chocolate. A helicopter is helicopter. Helicopter. Internet is internet. Internet. The word for a pizza is just like in English. Pizza. Ketchup is ketchup. Ketchup. A tractor is tractor. Tractor. A theater is teatron. Teatron. Democracy is demokratia. Demokratia. A telephone is telephone. Telephone. A cellular phone is telephone cellulari. Telephone cellulari. Psychology is פסיכולוגיה. פסיכולוגיה. Geography is geografia. Geografia. Philosophy is philosophia. Philosophia. A map is mapa. Mapa. A giraffe is giraffa. Giraffa. A kangaroo is kanguru. Kanguru. A bank is bank. Bank. A balloon is ballon. Ballon. The word for sport is sport. Sport. An ambulance is ambulance. Ambulance. A salad is salat. Salat. Let me know in the comments below if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. And if you like this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos. For now, תודה שצפיתם. Thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.